In this video, I will review another free Minecraft SMP server hosting. Name is freemcserver. Website is freemcserver.net. Go to the website, scroll down, and here are the features. Renewal in every 5 hours. RAM 1.5 GB up to 4 GB for free. Disk space 10 GB. Slots unlimited. Mods supported. Backups yes. Versions all. Okay. Create your free Minecraft server now. Press this button. Create free account. Verify your email address and hit login button. From next page, click create server button. Give your server a name. Click next. Select location. Select from vanilla, mods supported, plugins supported, or bedrock edition. I will select vanilla. Next, vanilla snapshot or vanilla. I will select vanilla. Next, select the version. I will select the latest. Click next. Click create my server. So this is our server address. Copy any one of these. Let's go to console. Here you can give commands. Let's go to file manager. We can access files via FTP. Credentials are provided here. Let's go to players. Here online players will be listed. Let's go to home. Click start button. Server started. Check the console for more information. Okay. Let's go to console. Server is running. Let's try this out. So run the Minecraft. Click multiplayer, click proceed, click add server. Give it a name, paste server address, click done. After it's online, select this server and click join server button. And here we are. So the response is amazing. This server has also this limitation. You'll have to click this renew button after every 4 hours. Choose normal renewal for free. Renew server. So this is how you can get free Minecraft server and play Minecraft with friends. This server allows 4 GB of RAM, unlimited players and 10 GB of storage space. This is one video in this series. I'm reviewing a lot more Minecraft SMP server hostings. Make sure you subscribe to see how far we end up exploring. If you have experience with this server provider, share your experience in comments. This server response is amazing. Okay, if this video helped you, please leave a like. To watch similar videos, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon to receive update notification, and I will see you in the next one.